We're going to try and turn $100 into $200 and maybe into $1,000 using cryptocurrency day trading. This is day 5, 6, 7, and 8. I decided to try out this new thing where I'd plan out a trade but not actually take it and see if I was right and see how it would work. And both of the trades I planned out were profitable. It really started bothering me because I thought, oh, I just missed out on 2 great opportunities where I would try to find more opportunities, but I was looking too hard and I ended up just waffling. I tried to validate some stupid positions I tried to enter and tried to make it make sense because I really wanted to get profit today because I was so bummed out that I missed out on those trades that I set up, which caused me to lose a bunch of trades in a row. After I realized what I was doing, I decided to just go back on track and follow the strategies and not try to fugazi my way through the thing. After looking back at the mistakes I was doing and learning from them, I watched a couple more videos on trading and we seem to be back on track. I'm currently in another trade as I'm making this video and we already hit take profit once, so I moved the stop loss to break even and now I'm just gonna let it ride. I'm going to try and turn $100 into $200 and maybe $1,000 using cryptocurrency day trading. I see a lot of people on TikTok posting how they make a ton of money doing day trading. I'm trying to find out if it's legit or just completely waffle. If you're interested in this kind of content as well, we're going to try and turn $100 into $200 and maybe into $1,000 using cryptocurrency day trading. This is day 1. This is one of the trades I decided to take today. If you pull up one of those charts like this one, you'll see that it's forming one of these patterns and I'm just copying along what it says. But I have a different strategy I learned from someone on TikTok called ZB Trading, I think. The pattern is basically that it goes up and comes back down and then goes up further. So that's what I did for this trade. I draw out the line where I'm going to buy at the FEG level and then let it ride, and I think it's going to come back down. This is where the trade starts coming down. It goes down a little bit further and then hits my thing. And this is where I think it's going to go back up. I had to go to school, so I couldn't keep an eye on it for a while till I got to school. And then when I got to school, I saw the results and it hit my take profit. These are the results of all the trades I took today. These losses could have been prevented if I stuck to. We're going to try and turn $100 into $200 and maybe into $1,000 using cryptocurrency day trading. This is day 2. This is one of the trades I took today. I looked at the chart and I saw it was forming one of these patterns. I don't think this is where it's going to break. I think it's going to go down one more and then break. It looks like I was right and it does seem to be breaking down a little bit further. It does end up breaking. Then I draw out the line where I'm going to buy. Now I'm looking for where I'm going to take my take profits and set my stop loss. Here's where I initially take my first take profits. Here's where I took my final take profits. We're going to try and turn $100 into $200 and maybe into $1,000 using cryptocurrency day trading. This is day 3. If you pull up this chart, you see that it's forming one of these patterns. I've labeled the points where it connects to the bar. The formation has already been broken, so I'm drawing the FEG level out. Then I set my take profits and my stop loss, and then we wait for the trade to take place. It goes up and collects my entry, and I was in my bed and I saw we took an L. It just broke straight through the thing. Even though we lost during this trade, I realized why we lost and I turned this into a learning experience. I realized the leg down was just to grab liquidity and it wasn't a break of the triangle. Altogether, we lost like $5 today. We're going to try and turn $100 into $200 and maybe into $1,000 using cryptocurrency day trading. This is day 4 of the cryptocurrency journey. I ended up getting a nice setup and the setup resulted to me getting even more than I left it. It went way past what I planned it to go through and I took the profits and we ended up making back the losses from the other 2 days plus extra cash, which means that we've successfully got more than what we started with this week, which means I'm just going to try and learn how to trade. I'm going to put in $100. If it works, it works. At least I know I tried. If it fails, I might lose it all, but oh well.
Que tu me fais tourner dans